Thank you guys so much for stopping by for another video. In today's video, I must admit, I'm excited, but I'm a little nervous. I'm nervous because in today's video, I am going to create a gift basket for Dad. And I'm freestyling it, y'all, because usually I like to go ahead and do a mock-up so I can know exactly what it's going to look like. But today I said, look, I'm just gonna freestyle it and we're just gonna see how it goes. As you can see, I have everything that I am going to need to go inside of our Father's Day gift basket. I am trying to do another spa-like theme. So y'all just let me know. Y'all drop me some hearts in the comments. Y'all let me know. I'm gonna need y'all to encourage me and let me know that I got this. And we are going to go ahead and get started so we can see exactly how this beautiful basket is going to turn out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started, y'all. So I decided to use this basket right here that I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the tag from the bottom of the basket, which is something that I usually forget to do, but not today. So we are going to remove that tag. And what I'm going to do is take some gift tissue paper. I found this cute buffalo plaid gift tissue paper at Hobby Lobby. So I am going to just drop this on the inside of the basket. And then of course we are going to fill the inside with newspaper. This basket has plenty of holes in it, so we want to make sure that we do not see our newspaper from the outside of our basket. So it is going to look just like this. And for this basket, I do want everything elevated. I do want everything to stand in a really nice, presentable way. So that's why I am making sure that I have enough newspaper in the bottom. So once I get all the newspaper in the bottom, just how I want it, what I'm going to do is add another sheet of gift tissue paper over the top of it. If you want to cut this in half because the basket is not that big, you can, but I'm just going to leave it and I'm just going to place it over the top just like this. All right, so once I get the newspaper and everything lined up on the inside of my basket, now I'm ready to go ahead and start bringing my items into the basket. So of course I've got a bracelet, I've got some Dove men's deodorant, I have some face wash, I also got a little bit of Spirit for Dad. This is a face toner. We have a manicure set, and I also have this loofah, and I also have this little bath scrubber. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna use the loofah and the scrubber inside of the basket, but I did want to create a spa-like theme for Dad. So we'll just see how it goes. My daughter told me, she was like, Mama, don't put that loofah in there because men don't use that. So I don't know. I also found this little frame that says Dad on there from the Dollar Tree, and I just thought that would be perfect to kind of fit inside the basket some kind of way. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and start just putting items inside of our basket. All right, so I'm going to use the frame as a focal point here, just like this. And I also want the bracelet to be highlighted in the front as well. So basically, this is what it's going to look like to start out. And then of course, this is going to be a highlight as well. So I am going to go ahead and start adding my items on the inside just to get a feel of how everything is going to come together. Like I said, I did not do a mock-up basket, which I usually prefer to do. But I'm like, I'm gonna just freestyle it today, y'all. So y'all bear with me here, and we are gonna get this thing going. Do not forget to hit that like button. Y'all know, look, we need all the likes that we can get. I don't know if I want to take this out of the bag. I don't know if I want to take this out because I really want you to be able to see the picture frame. I'm thinking I might take this manicure set out of the case This is really, really nice. I'm trying to remember where I got this from. I don't even remember where I got it from, but this is a really nice set. All right, let's stick this back in here. But that is so cute. And it's the perfect color. And it snaps closed, so that is cute. But I really want to display this so you can know, so the person can know what is on the inside. I got a lot of moving parts to this basket, y'all. So we are just going to have to see what we are going to do. Manicure set. I might be able to actually take this and tape it to the actual case. That might be a good idea. Look, we gonna do what we gotta do, y'all. We gonna do what we gotta do. What's the saying? Crafters gonna do what crafters gotta do, because we're gonna make it work. We are going to make it work. Take a little bit of tape, and I am going to tape this card to it. And that way, they are going to know that it is a manicure set inside for men. Not just any manicure set. It's a man. It is men manicure set. Okay. I think I like that, y'all. I think I like it. I think I like it. All right. So we want to get our toner in here on this side. Awesome. I'm gonna put this here. So far it's coming along pretty good. So we are just going to keep working. It's not as easy as it looked, y'all, but it is coming along pretty good. I do see that I have my little Dollar Tree sign right here, so I am going to make sure that I remove that if I can without ruining the plastic. All right, guys, so after getting everything in position, moving things around, I finally think I just settled on exactly where everything is going to go. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and secure everything with a little bit of tape. I know I do have a few little empty spaces, but I am going to use the paper shreds to kind of fill in these little dead spaces because I don't want to add anything else to the basket. Like I said, I do want them to be able to see the word dad spelled out on the frame. So that is a beautiful added touch. So I'm going to secure everything with a little bit of clear tape here. If you are loving this video, go ahead and like the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed. I would really appreciate that. And everything looks pretty good. Everything looks amazing. I did decide to go ahead and keep the loofah in there just to have it to fill my baskets in. Like I said, I have some paper shreds. This time I'm going to go ahead and use the red paper shreds. And that gives it just that nice little pop of color that we are missing. What I am going to do is, of course, add my flower, because why not? All All right, y'all drop me some red hearts. Let me know what you think. What do you think? How is it looking? How is it going? Like I said in the beginning, you guys, usually I like to go ahead and do a mock-up basket. That way I will know exactly how much stuff I need to put in, where everything is going to go. But this time I was like, no, we are going to just freestyle it. And we are just gonna go for it. And not too bad, not too bad. This little back scrubber here, I'm not in love with it, but I think we're going to leave it. The loofah, we're going to leave it. We got everything else. We got our manicure set. We have our deodorant. We have our face cleanser. We have our little spirit in there. We have a beautiful bracelet on the inside. Of course, this bracelet, I handmade it. Of course, I did find bracelets that you could purchase on Amazon. Of course, the link will be in the description box. And I love the frame. The frame was a nice, perfect added touch. It has Dad on it and you can see it displayed. So that is very nice to add. So I think I want to go with a small little white flower on the inside. I think just right here on the inside, that would be perfect for just a little flower, just to give it a softer, loving feel. That's what I'm gonna go with, y'all. It's gonna be a nice, soft love feel to this basket. All right, so what y'all think? Draw me some hearts. Let me know. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. I think it is good. I think it is cute. I think it is simple. It's not too much, because y'all know sometimes I get to doing too much and I have to kind of tone it down just a little bit. So that is what I am doing. I love it. I was a little nervous, y'all. I was a little nervous, but I think we worked it out. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and wrap this basket inside of a bag. This right here is a Cello bag that I get from Amazon. I want to say it's an 18 by 30, but I will definitely drop it into the description so you will know exactly the size that it is. I love these bags. I've been using these all year. They are so nice and sturdy. They have a real nice, elegant, professional feel to it. So that's why I love it so much. So we're gonna go ahead and drop it inside of the bag here. Nice, easy, gentle. Straighten it up here. All right, as you can see, it's a perfect fit once we get it on the inside. And what we are going to do is just bring everything together. And we are going to wrap it in a nice bow. I am going to trim these edges. I may tuck them. I may be able to tuck them. So we will see. Okay, what I'm going to do is take a little bit of this string right here. It's just easier for me to use this little string to bring everything together to hold it into place. All right, so once I have everything gathered, I've got my ribbon secure in the bag up top. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold over my sides and just take them under the basket. I am going to add a bow to the bag. So what I'm going to use this black ribbon. Y'all know my bow making skills are not that good, but I did get a recommendation for a bow maker, so I'm excited. I am going to definitely get that, and I would be glad to let you guys know how it goes. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep this real simple today. I'm just going to take it and I am just going to tie a nice little bow tie. This will be a bow tie bun on this, just like this. And of course, you guys know I love this wire ribbon because you can just maneuver it and you can just make it look really good with not a whole lot of effort. So definitely wire ribbon for me. Y'all just bear with me. Y'all bear with me, okay? Look, we getting there. We getting there. The vision is coming to life. It's coming to life, y'all. And the next thing I'm going to do is take, I know y'all thinking I'm about to take my flower, but I'm not gonna take a flower yet. But I am going to take this little small pull bow that I have in the color red. And what I'm going to do is add it to the center of my nice little bow tie bow here. And give it a little bit of because as you can see, it's missing a lot of So we're gonna take this little pull bow, if I can get it to work right. I'm hopeful, y'all. I'm hopeful. So we open it up and then we just take it and push it up, just like this. And then we have a cute little bow. So I'm gonna take this cute little bow and just wrap it in the middle of the bow I just made. Okay. Just like this. Alright, what it's looking like, y'all? What it's looking like? Now this bow could have been a little bit better, but don't judge me. Don't judge me. I already told y'all in the beginning, my bow making skills. And look, I need some help. I already told y'all, I need some help. Y'all know I gotta be transparent. I was not feeling that bow at all, so of course I redid it. And this is what I came up with. I added the rose flower, which gave it a nice pop of color. I am happy with it. Hopefully you like it. I appreciate you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.